Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about phone apps. So let's get started. What kinds of apps do you have on your phone? You could say, I have various types of apps on my phone. Or, my phone is equipped with a diverse range of apps catering to different purposes. What are the drawbacks of having too many apps? You could say, having too many apps can slow down the phone. Or, the proliferation of apps may result in decreased phone performance and storage limitations. How much time do you spend on these apps? I spend quite a bit of time using apps on my phone. Or I allocate a significant portion of my time engaging with various applications on my phone. Do you like to look for new apps, or do you just keep using the ones you have? I'm open to exploring new apps occasionally. Or I'm open to the idea of discovering new apps from time to time, but I also stick to the ones I'm familiar with. Do you use free apps or the ones you need to pay for? You could say, I mostly use free apps on my phone. Or, I prefer using free apps, although I occasionally invest in paid ones that offer exponential value. Okay, I hope you found those questions useful. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me. It's intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand. In the digital age, smartphones have become an integral part of our lives, connecting us to a vast array of applications that cater to our needs, interests, and entertainment. This reading passage delves into the prevalence of mobile apps, their benefits and drawbacks, and evolving dynamics of our relationship with these digital tools. Smartphones serve as a gateway to a multitude of apps designed to enhance various aspects of our lives, from productivity tools and communication platforms to entertainment hubs and fitness trackers. Apps have transformed how we navigate the modern world. This interconnected app ecosystem has led to an unprecedented level of convenience, allowing us to accomplish tasks with a few taps of the screen. However, the sheer abundance of apps also presents challenges. App overload can lead to digital clutter, causing confusion and making it harder to locate essential apps. Furthermore, excessive app usage can drain battery life and consume significant amounts of data, impacting device performance and user experience. People spend substantial amounts of time on their phone, often engaging with apps for entertainment, social networking, and information consumption. This trend has raised concerns about screen addiction and its potential consequences on mental health and real-world interactions. The quest for new experiences is the driving force behind app exploration. Users are frequently on the lookout for innovative apps that promise unique functionality or entertainment value. While the search for novelty can lead to app discovery, it can also continue to a cycle of frequent app installations and deletions. The app landscape includes both free and paid options. Free apps are popular due to their accessibility, but they often rely on ads and in-app purchases for revenue. Paid apps, on the other hand, offer premium features and ad-free experiences for users willing to invest in their app usage. Many apps collect user data to offer personalized experiences and targeted content. However, this practice has raised concerns about data privacy and security. Users are becoming more cautious about granting app permissions and sharing their personal information. The world of mobile applications continues to evolve, shaping how we interact with technology and the world around us. While apps offer unprecedented convenience and connectivity, they also require users to navigate potential drawbacks and consider the implications of their app choices. Balancing the benefits of app usage with mindful considerations for privacy and screen time is essential in the ever-evolving app-fueled lifestyle. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Take a look. Digital age, smartphones, mobile applications, integral. And lastly today, we have paraphrasing questions, paraphrasing statements, and paraphrasing descriptions for you to try and put into your own words at home. Why don't you take a look? We have our questions, statements, and the distributors. As always, thank you for listening. I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.